Welcome to Walk on Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real of the real. It's been a very long time. I miss you guys, but beer mixed up, beer updates. As reported a couple weeks ago, Coffee had released her album on March 14 called The Rapture, which is now #1 on Reggae Billboard's charts. Yes, #1. Good girl. Safari was in Jamaica for the Buju Banton concert. He did not stop by just going to the concert. Safari gave back to his old hometown, Hanover Community School, by donating laptops and computers to this journey. And Jamaica did not stop there. He made this video and released it last week Friday. Here's a look.
Boss chick, you that. Them now fi yak so that. Stand up, well hot. Dress back, she no regular girl. No regular. My girl, no regular girl. No regular. She's no regular girl. She no regular. My girl, no regular girl.
I walk up to her like this. Yeah, look, is she all mine? You thought you had a
Spice makes her debut on Fox 5 and why? Speaking about her career and of course her music in the dancehall community.
Bold that they had no choice but to rate and respect me as a female among the men them. I came out with Team Spice dancers, dancing Rebel, TC, Pretty. I dressed them in, short, sexy clothes. We're out in the streets, we're doing promotions, we're giving out the CDs, we're pushing the music.
Spice tells me some influential male figures have helped her throughout her, but it was Vybz Kartel who put her in the U.S. Billboard R&B chart hit Rompin' Shop, which took her career to a superstar level.
Vybz Kartel, a lot of people always question me, why so loyal to Vybz Kartel? Like even now when he's incarcerated, a lot of people did expect me to stop saying, big up the world boss and a Gaza, me say. But I can't because I remember being at home and Vybz Kartel called me and said, Mama, I find the song. So for me, I treasured that. He could have chosen any other female artist, but he was the one who called me.
Pampute speaks and Beenie Man's legal team also speaks. A couple days ago, Pampute had a couple of words in regards of Beenie Man and some of his allegations. Here's a clip.
Beenie Man draw a stool to link me down for no reason at all. Because me hear everybody in the studio yard and I hear him. He quick, he thinks he's a man, he could draw a stool for link the man, but show me a woman. But me know Beenie Man to try him. Let me hear you say, show up and put there. Send the rest to him.
Beenie Man legal team came back and said that they will be taking further action in regards of defamation of character for Beenie Man. It's saddened to report that news anchor Doreen Samuels has passed away. It was stated that she had cancer, which she had lost. She was known for TVJ's nightly news anchor, as well as RJR Gleaner radio station. Buju Banton and his sons Marcus and Jaziel have officially came out with a new song called False Present Tense, and here's a sneak peek of that.
And listen, my people. This is the truth.
No go on like a fool. Jazzy stepping in. Give me little reverb, some delay. Marcus I saw the thing to stay.
Rude boy.
Turn up the voice projector. Check ya. Well.
But that is it for Walk on Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment and for the remainder of this week for more dancehall updates. Oh.